Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about sanitation and hygiene needs for infants. Okay, so and some of you are probably going, where all our kids are grown up, they're moved out and stuff. Okay, are they going to be having kids, or do they have kids? Do they have little babies that come visit you? Do you have everything you need there for little babies? That's one of the things to consider. You know, my wife and I, our youngest is now 24 and a half. And, you know, he could at any time find the right girl, and all of a sudden we're going to be having grand infants again. So we have supplies. We're keeping them on hand because we also have another boy coming as well that may suddenly find the girl of his dreams and start, you know, giving us more grandkids. So with that in mind, check it. You know, think about it. Is there, you know, any of those supplies that you might need because of a family member who's going to be gifting you with more infants? All right. So remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you, including unexpected relatives. I'm sorry, I just thought that was funny. Stay happy, stay safe, don't do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. And learn a new skill. And try to grow something indoors. Speaking of which, if you missed last night's live stream on Camp Patton Family Compound, we were talking about hydroponics, mostly for indoors, but we talked about some outdoor stuff, but we're talking about indoor stuff. So you may want to go check that out. Why?